Many people think that if they speak wrong English, all will laugh. That's why they are afraid to speak English, or they don't want to speak English. But you should know that if you don't make a mistake, you will never learn right. Once you start speaking, one day you will be able to speak English correctly. You will be surprised to know that even those who speak fluent English sometimes make mistakes. So start speaking English without thinking of anything. Let me in. Let me in. He is not in. He is not in. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. May I come in? May I come in? Please come in. Please come in. I am in London. I am in London. I live in Japan. I live in Japan. I believe in him. I believe in him. Rome is in Italy. Rome is in Italy. We are in a hurry. We are in a hurry. They are in class. They are in class. Are you in a hurry? Are you in a hurry? He arrived in time. He arrived in time. She works in a bank. She works in a bank. He works in a factory. He works in a factory. Please keep in touch. Please keep in touch. Can we talk in private? Can we talk in private? Why don't you come in? Why don't you come in? She was dressed in pink. She was dressed in pink. You should stay in bed. You should stay in bed. I fell in love with her. I fell in love with her. I saw tears in her eyes. I saw tears in her eyes. It is dark in the room. It is dark in the room. What do you do in Brazil? What do you do in Brazil? Don't play in the street. Don't play in the street. I am interested in music. I am interested in music. I put milk in my coffee. I put milk in my coffee. Can you pay me in advance? Can you pay me in advance? There's a hair in my soup. There's a hair in my soup. I have a friend in England. I have a friend in England. I will call you in an hour. I will call you in an hour. It's easy to work in jeans. It's easy to work in jeans. Don't talk in the classroom. Don't talk in the classroom. All our efforts were in vain. All our efforts were in vain. Do you have a shirt in my size? Do you have a shirt in my size? He is in critical condition. He is in critical condition. I can do it in half the time. I can do it in half the time. In my opinion, he is correct. In my opinion, he is correct. Don't interfere in my affairs. Don't interfere in my affairs. I am the tallest in my office. I am the tallest in my office. I will be back in a few minutes. I will be back in a few minutes. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.